Having problems with your plumbing, dripping taps, blocked toilet, or noisy pipes? Call us. We can fix them. Get professional plumbing service when you need it the most. We offer fast, efficient service at an affordable price. Depend on us to get the job done right. For a reliable plumber you can trust, call us today.